Let's explore the path module, a built-in Node.js module for handling file system paths across different operating systems. It simplifies working with file and directory paths, ensuring compatibility across various platforms. To use the path module, you first need to import it into your project. There are two common ways to do this. For CommonJS, use the require function and assign it to a constant named path. For ES6 modules, use the import keyword to import path from the path module. The path.join method is used to join path segments together using the platform-specific separator. This ensures that the resulting path is valid for the operating system it's running on. For example, if you join /users, John, and documents, the output on a Unix system would be /users/john/documents, while on Windows it would be \users\john\documents. The path.resolve method resolves a sequence of paths into an absolute path. It starts from the current working directory and resolves the given path segments. For instance, if you resolve folder and file.txt, the output would be /current/working/dir/folder/file.txt, assuming /current/working/dir is your current working directory. The path module also provides methods to extract specific parts of a file path. Path.dirname returns the directory name of a path, path.basename returns the basename of a file, and path.extname returns the extension name of a file. For example, given the file path /home/user/documents/file.txt, path.dirname would return /home/user/documents, path.basename would return file.txt, and path.extname would return .txt. The path.parse method returns an object with all the path components. This object includes the root, directory, base name, file name, and extension. For the path /home/user/file.txt, the returned object would contain root as /, directory as /home/user, base as file.txt, name as file, and extension as .txt. The path module offers some utility functions like path.isAbsolute, which checks if a path is absolute, returning true for absolute paths like /home/user, and false for relative paths like /relative. Also, path.sep provides the platform-specific path separator, which is / on Unix-like systems and / on Windows, while path.delimiter provides the path delimiter, which is : on Unix-like systems and semicolon on Windows. Here's a practical example of how you might use the path module in a Node.js application. You can construct file paths by joining directory names and file names. For instance, you can define an uploads directory using path.join __dirname uploads. Then construct the full file path by joining the uploads directory with a file name. This allows you to dynamically build paths in your application. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.